Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to connect your Dailymotion account with PayPal on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Dailymotion, also have access to a PayPal account. This will allow us to take any future payments from our account if we are in the partnership program with Dailymotion. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now navigate to Dailymotion, which is on the bookmarks favorite. Go to Settings, Partner HQ. Let's now go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Click on Earnings. Go to Payout Methods. To receive revenue payments, connect a payment service. Let's click on the button. Now we can use Payoneer or PayPal. We will be using PayPal. Connect. We will now have to log into the account. In order for us to connect the PayPal account to Dailymotion, we will need to connect our PayPal to that service itself so we can agree and connect. So that itself has all been done. Click on Next. We would then need to enter the PayPal email, street address, city, county, postcode, country. If you are an individual or a company, which we are a company, the company's name, the tax ID, and the currency. So let's now fill this in. Once all the information has been filled in for the additional information section, we can now click on Next. And then what we would do is look at everything else, whether it's the email method, when it was updated, the payee information, and the additional information. We would check this box and confirm that we have read and agreed to the Dailymotion self-billing contract. So that's save. And so that's all done. We are now ready to start receiving payments from Dailymotion using PayPal. So that's all done. And so we can now quit Safari. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.